guys, Community Watch coming to you from the city of Rancho Cucamonga. Right down the street from Amphistar, which I just did. And had some dummies come out. This is called CDG, and it's a subcontractor to Boeing. And I was gonna do this one a while back, and I never did. So, since I'm in the area, I might as well take advantage of it. I do have to be home and babysit in the early afternoon, so I decided to take this morning off and come and do a couple recordings, a couple open investigations, as Mr. with all due respect, Mr. Jeff Gray, honor your oath, calls him. The godfather of audits, Mr. Jeff Gray. Go check out Jeff Gray, he's the whole opposite of me. Yet he stands up to him for his rights. Love that guy. But this is CDG, so it's a Boeing company. And God knows, I mean, there's so many companies around here. I just recognized this because I was going to do it about 4 or 5 months ago. The Highway Patrol is on this street behind me. It's 9302 Pittsburgh Avenue. Somebody walking. Get a better angle of the building over here. So it's CDG, a Boeing company. That's what it says. It's what it's listed under. It's an aerospace subcontractor. As you guys know, Boeing is an aerospace company. They're having a lot of issues right now with their planes. Lockheed Martin also with the helicopter. Good morning. Looks like a bunch of Arab men. That'll be something, huh? If they don't think and act stupid like I'm a terrorist or something. Oh, that was a good pass. Or maybe, I don't know. Some guy just came out on the phone. It's just funny, isn't it? Those guys have probably dealt with real terrorism and seen real terrorists. They weren't bothered one bit, said hello. But yet, oh, you see that guy from last audit at the Amphastar. How they act. It's ridiculous. All right, well, good on CDG and good on those employees. I don't think it's even about knowing the law. They might not know the law, but they probably have dealt with some real shit in their life. Hi, that's Community Watch. I appreciate you guys. I'm out. What's up, man? He's a subscriber. What's up, brother? How are you?
Yeah, you remember me, right?
Yeah, from the there. Yeah, from Victorville, man. How are you?
Good. I'm just watching the Amstar right now.
Oh.
I'm in Tuna Hill. That's where I come over here.
Bro.
Yeah.
You know, all stupid and shit. But
yeah.
How you been?
Good. Working, man.
Yeah, do you guys remember he came out to a cop watch in Victorville?
How's it going?
I'm doing good, man. How were your holidays?
Good. Good. Man. Tragic yesterday with Kobe Bryant, man. Hurting everybody, man.
So, like, to lose one, but yet to lose a parent and a kid? Wow, bro. I was just saying that in the video, you know, I just said that in the video when I was watching it. I was like, you know, it's like we all have a heavy heart, not just because it was Kobe, but like the way it happened. Like, a lot of four or five families, man. Crazy.
Yeah.
It's good seeing you, bro. I'm gonna head on.
All right, no problem, man.
I was spending my brother. Thank you, brother. He was checking out the Amphastar. Oh man, I want to thank him. He said if I go live again, get in trouble, he's gonna be around here. He'll come back me up. And oh, I had his name at the tip of my tongue and I forgot, man. I am so sorry, but thank you, brother. If you see this video, if you could put your name on there so we could thank you, man. I'm really, really humbled, bro. Appreciate you. Hi, there's Community Watch. I'm out.